Jamaica beautiful and nice. So I could just live the life.
And that me know too.
It's more love and happiness, joy to the world. Share it with me.
Yeah guys, so as I told y'all, I'm gonna show you one bridge, like the smallest bridge in a St. Thomas where people actually drive on. It wasn't made for driving, but then because of a disaster situation, persons had started to drive on that bridge. So now guys, for those of you who haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, remember subscribing to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button, and by turning on notifications you receive all of my videos when I upload videos. Alright guys, so follow me. Yeah. Bless. That's the Trinityville Primary School, guys. Yeah. It's been a while I've been on this compound. Yeah, peeps, so I'm there with another long time subscriber, and yeah, we just got a few words with him and let him share one of his songs. Like, he's a songwriter, so I'm just gonna let him share one of his songs. But first, we ask him a few questions, though. Yeah, so from the other day, people been asking who this man where them see us sing on the video. They want to know your name, they want to know what you're all about, and if you have been recording songs and all of that. So what you have to say to the people?
It's like me just love music in a long time. Me there still, but me just a juggler, you know. Enough people say me supposed to read for the music thing and get myself promoted by other people. But I never really reached to the mention to do it. But other people love me all over the place and like the voices and things. The wind melody, you know. Mama Chin thing always. Them say Mama Chin thing when them sing it. I just saw the energy going, you know. But right now we discuss all these songs, you know. Let me share love more in this world. Show them love. Love is always here for house. For everyone knows. Get to the flow now. Cause things getting better. Why should we go against each other? No. Can't we live a better way? There's a better way. Better days, better things to say when the time is gone. We are here now, send a smile to the world. Happiness and joy is there. Everyone seems to be killed for the love that we share. Better love, better joy. Let me come together now. Where is the joy? Where is the happiness? No, that we're supposed to have. Everybody needs a happiness. There's a joy for me now. Oh, I send us to the world. Come together, can't we live again? Forgot the past, the present tense, the people that innocent. Let come back. Send to the world is all we knew. Love and happiness for the youth them that growing. Send more love to the world. People, can you see what we need? It's more love and happiness. Joy to the world. Happiness and
Yeah,
joy.
man. Real
King
good tune, man.
Celestia.
Real.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, peeps, you
Yeah.
don't know why you DJ name?
Wayne Melody.
Wayne Melody.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And a shout out Wayne Melody in the comment
Mama
sections.
Tin.
If you don't like
Yeah.
how Wayne Melody is it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
right now, peeps, we are move on as you guys requested to see the Mount Lebanon Bridge, the smallest bridge of vehicle drive upon in St. Thomas, and I'm going
Yeah.
to show you guys that. But I'm not getting no more scratch on the car.
Yeah.
So bless up.
Yes. More
And
peace,
this
more
I'm
happiness.
hustling in a man.
My
You know,
king.
this man is a hustler, is it?
Yeah.
And sell slippers and all of them things there.
Tell him, man.
You know, around Trinity,ville, Danvers, Penn, George,
Mama,
Lebanon,
chin,
Somerset,
Yeah, right.
all about, is
Yeah,
it?
tell him, man.
So,
Real, real, man.
yeah.
How me doing? How it is? You? You're good? What I hear?
How do you look? You think good? Marriott Graphics. Shout out to Marriott Graphics in Marriott Bay. This man do all of the flyer and the poster and everything. Marriott Graphics. You know your colours though, bro? Alright, big up. Straight up, man. Straight up. Yeah, peeps, this is called the Monkey Hill. You see how the road bad? Beautiful scenery. Yeah, man, a Tafa drive. You know, big up to Tafa. So this is the road leading up to Mount Lebanon, guys. This is called the middle road. And I see how the road's small, and at the right time we're up on the road now just to see how it's small. Yes, man. Real. bless. Yeah, peeps, so they're on my way. I got Mount Lebanon. Once again, y'all requested me to walk, so I'm gonna walk with me then, because I walk, yeah? So, blessed. That's what I do. Alright guys, so I will be showing you a bridge in Mount Lebanon, like one of the smallest bridge where people actually drive across. Me not think I'm going to drive across it still. I tough I go drive across it because each time I go across the bridge I have a problem. Alright? So, yeah. You don't follow me. Over the hill, I'm coming up, peeps. Make the fuck go on, drive go on. So, yeah, I tried it. Yeah, man, so, you don't follow me. Yeah, peeps, and you see that stone there? The stone that roll off of the hill at one point, you know, from up in the hills, you know, peeps. Roll off, come down on the flat. And we don't know what stop it from come out on the road. You know? But, yeah, the fuck the road away from me. I'm kind of tired now. The roads are very small and I kind of highlight the condition of the road. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys a bridge which is one of the smallest bridges that vehicle actually drive across in St. Thomas. Alright, for those of you who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, consider subscribing to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Alright peeps, yeah man, thank you all for the support. Bless.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to cross the bridge, you know. Afraid of the bridge, you know.
Right, cross the shoot.
Alright. Every time I go across the bridge, I have a problem, you know.
Right, yeah, so I go on today.
Every time I scrape car on it. So, I go flim. More on the right side of the wheel when I go across to catch the footage. You see, I can fit on the bridge, I'm with it. Fit on the bridge with the car.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So, that's yeah, peeps, and I see the road them. Yeah, man, so them stay. Yeah, peeps, so we are basically in Mount Lebanon at the moment. Beautiful scenery, yeah? I'm going to show you the roadside spring come down a little harder now. So it's more beautiful at the moment. Like it's kind of nothing. Yeah, peeps. This is the roadside spring.
First time to Jamaica.
No, bad and yeah. Yeah, do you think God is out of many one people? So?
We all are one. And we all can live as one. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm actually heading up to the Mount Lebanon crossroad now. Yeah, man. Beautiful flowers over there. Tougher though for the next hours I'll drink water. Water can be drinking up peeps. Yeah, man. You switch off though? You switch off though? Yeah, man. The starter fix man. Yeah? Starter fix. Okay. So you never did it that? Yeah, peeps, so this is the Mount Lebanon crossroad. Here's the next spring. Pollution. Yeah, peeps, so now Trafalgar go across the bridge. Yeah, man, I showed the bridge before we even attempt to go across it. Yeah, peeps, so that's the bridge right there. full of buckets. So my buckets was coming already. That's how close the car is. How do you do it?
Say man up.
Yeah man, there man.
Say I did a little free man, isn't it?
Yeah man, everything proper.
Is it?
Sure. Yeah peeps, this is the Somerset Bridge again. They're showing me where the Pool River them join. I'm not sure if we ever saw them join because them actually join under the bridge. That's really fascinating though. Alright, so this are the Somerset River. That's the one coming from here. And this is the Mount Lebanon River. Alright, so let me show you guys that from a better angle. That's the Somerset River. And it's coming across here. That's the Mount Lebanon River. And the boat meet right here under the bridge. So basically we can't show no where the river they meet. That's the end of where they meet. So they actually meet under the bridge peaks. Alright, so we are now wait on Tafa gonna drop off somebody to come back. The selector, Cornbread. Yeah man, big up to Cornbread. Selector out of St. Thomas. You can check him out on YouTube. C-A-R-N-B-R-E-A-D. It's Cornbread. Selector out of St. Thomas. Alright, so yeah. So now we'll meet Tafa now. So guys, the other day I was telling you guys about the road which persons normally drive before the San Jose Bridge. Normally they will drive here or around the other road up there. I'm gonna show you guys that road, I think, shortly or in another video. So stuff for that. So guys, the sound down here, the radiator fan is spinning against the guard. Since the front end start out and the car kind of get shake up, whenever time the fan turn on, the radiator sound. Mechanic looked at it the other day. Yeah guys, so that's the video of the smallest bridge in St. Thomas that persons actually drive on. If you know of any other, please share that in the comment section below so that I can check it out. Or for that matter, if you know of any in and around Jamaica, please let me know so I can check it out, guys. Thank you all for joining me. It's been a pleasure having you here. Remember, you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. Turn on notifications by clicking the blue bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. With that, thanks again for joining. Bless.